Most YouTube channels don't fail because the creators are untalented. They don't even fail because the creators don't have an idea of what to create. But they fail because of their first 90 days on YouTube. Because of having low views, no subscribers, no feedback, no motivation. And it makes most people to quit even before the YouTube gets to understand their channel. So if you are starting a YouTube channel or you have already started and you are discouraged, this video will save you from months or years of frustration. But before we continue, I'm Coach Gabriel. You are welcome to Creator Growth Hub. In this channel, I help new and the small YouTube channels to grow on YouTube. I also help creators to master AI video creation and the Canva tutorials step by step for beginners. So if you want to do well on these three things, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, YouTube will get you notified. Now, let's dive into the video properly. Part 1. The main reason why most channels fail. Here is the truth that most people don't tell you. YouTube is slow at the beginning by design. The algorithm is not trying to punish you, but it is trying to understand your niche. In the first 90 days, YouTube is studying your topic, your audience, your style of content, your audience behavior, and the watch time. But most creators misinterpret this as rejection. That is why when they upload 5 to 10 videos, and if they don't see results, they conclude and say that YouTube doesn't work for me. That mindset alone kills channel even more than a bad content. So try to understand the YouTube algorithm. Part 2. The 5 mistakes that destroy YouTube channel very early. Number 1 is not having clear niche. Most creators talks about everything instead of picking one particular thing, and YouTube doesn't understand them. See, clarity beats creativity in the beginning. So don't try to be everywhere. Take one particular thing and focus on it. Then number 2, emotional uploading. Some creators upload videos only when they are motivated, but when discouraged, they stop uploading videos. Forgetting that YouTube rewards system, not emotion. Facing virality at the beginning. They want one viral video instead of building a strong foundation. And the virality without structure kills long-term growth. So if you are starting a YouTube channel, avoid this. Now, number 4 mistakes is comparing yourself with big creators. See, as a beginner, you don't have to compare yourself with the people that have been in the system for years. Because if you do, this mindset creates pressure, insecurity, and also destroys consistency at the beginning. So make sure as a beginner you avoid this mindset. Number 5 mistake, quitting too early. Most creators quit their channel before the YouTube momentum starts. This is the biggest failure point for beginners. See, as a beginner, you don't have to quit too early. Try to be patient. The YouTube algorithm will soon remember you. So don't be too quick to quit. Try to be patient. Then part 3, which is the last part, and this part is the solution part, what you should do to survive the first 90 days on YouTube. Make sure you pay very good attention to this part. And if you are watching this video up to this point, do me a favor by clicking that like button and share this video to others. Now let's continue. Part 3, which is the last part and also the solution part. How to survive and win the first 90 days on YouTube. Number 1, treat the first 90 days on YouTube as your training days, not performance and not monetization. Because at this stage, you are learning content structure, communication, confidence, consistency, and the audience behavior. When you understand this, you will survive the first 90 days. Number 2, build clarity. Choose one niche, one audience, and focus on solving one particular problem so that YouTube will understand you easily. When you practice this, then you will survive the first 90 days. Then number 3, build system, not motivation. This is where consistency comes in. Choose particular days within the week to post your content, the same time and the same style. For example, if you're starting a YouTube channel this week and you'll be posting like 2 times in a week, then the 2 times in a week, you should go with the same time. For example, you post on Monday by 6 a.m. Then your second post, whether it is Tuesday or the other days of the week, should also be with the same time. Don't post wrongly like you post on Monday by 6 a.m. Then the other days that you post by 10 a.m. It is wrong. You have to maintain the same time. The next week, you also maintain the same time. That is what is called consistency. So when you understand this, you will survive the first 90 days on YouTube. And the way your channel will grow will surprise you. Now, number 4, play the long game. There is something that most beginners don't understand. See, YouTube is not a get rich quick scheme or a lottery. It is a skill-based economy. So you have to be patient to grow on YouTube because those who stay grow, but those who quit disappear from the system. Finally, if you understand all this and they practice them, you already have an advantage of growing very soon on this platform. So know it today that the first 90 days on YouTube are not about success, but it is about survival, structure, and the learning. Most people quit, but professionals build. Try to be among the professionals. I believe you got value from this video. If you want to grow on YouTube the smart way, with clarity, system, and the strategy, subscribe to this channel. I will help you step by step. Bye. See you guys in my next video.